Viewers, now the breaking news is here. Viewers, flood devastations continue across the country, and now reports confirm that India has released more water into the rivers. The sudden surge has worsened the situations in several districts. Riverbank settlements have gone underwater while thousands are being shifted to safer locations. Rescue team remains engaged in relief operation, but the strong current has created major challenges. The meteorological department has forecast more rain in the next 24 hours and advised residents of low-lying areas to evacuate immediately.